In the Hamptons, price per square foot is useful but rarely sufficient by itself. Two properties that appear similar online can produce very different results because buyers react to the complete experience. The most important variables often include exact location, block and traffic pattern, beach and village access, water views or water frontage, and flood zone considerations. We also weigh renovation quality and age, bedroom and bathroom utility, pool and outdoor living, privacy, legal use and property records, and the number of competing homes available. A credible valuation weighs recent comparable sales, active competition, and the adjustments a real buyer is likely to make. That is why a property-specific analysis is more useful than a broad neighborhood average. If you are considering selling, even if the timing is months away, reply with the property address. I'll provide a confidential property-specific perspective on value, preparation, and timing.